everybody out in Syrup World. Pete here at CDL Wisconsin, Roth Sugarbush. On this snowy Thursday out here, we're getting a little snow, then it's supposed to get cold this weekend and that, so I had just a minute here to do a little video for you. Our open house is going on right now. It'll be going on tomorrow and Saturday yet, and then we're extending the discounts next week for the people that couldn't make it and wanted to avoid the crowd. So that's still going on. So everybody's welcome to come to that. What I wanted to do a little video on though is misinformation on the internet. I'm seeing a lot of videos done and a lot of talk on the internet, different chat groups on social media and that, about CDL and where their products come from and how they're made and that type of stuff. CDL has 3 plants in Quebec. 2 are manufacturing plants. The other one is a stainless welding plant. They employ 250, 300 people depending on the time of year, and they manufacture all their stuff there in those 3 plants. They're the largest employer in the U.S. of maple, in the maple industry, from salesmen to truck drivers to warehouse administration, all that type of stuff. They do not manufacture in the U.S. They manufacture everything in Canada and Quebec. I'm going to put a video at the end of this, and you can watch it. It shows the manufacturing process in Canada. Video's a few years old, but it's a good video, and it's only 5-6 minutes long. A lot of talk on the internet is guys puffing their chest about the Canadian companies, all Chinese made stuff. Yes, a few items in the processing or manufacturing of equipment does come from China. There's a few things, but every manufacturer has a few things from China. I can walk through anybody's showroom, anybody's piece of equipment, and show you ball valves, ceramic blanket, dial thermometers, etc., etc. That's made in China. Same as CDL. So by saying that the whole thing is made in China is an outright flat lie. They manufacture in Quebec. They distribute from St. Albans, Vermont, and have many corporate stores across the U.S. and Canada. There's a lot of good manufacturers and fabricators in the U.S. There's some in Indiana, some in Maine. You know, Markland's out of New York. They make auto drafts. There's very good fabricators, very good products made around the country. I never take anybody's craftsmanship away from them. But to come outright say that CDL is bringing stuff in from China is a lie. So if you'd like to watch the video, take a look at it. It goes through the processing, the manufacturing systems up there, and what they do, how it's run. You'll see the process. If there's any other questions about it, feel free to call me or email me. I'll talk to you about it. I have nothing to hide from you, and I'll back up anything I say. So please watch the video and then make your assessment from there. Thanks, guys. Stay safe.
Years of history, 25 years of determination, deep passion for the industry, 25 years of offering the best of ourselves. In 1991, CDL maple sugaring equipment was the Chabot brothers, the founders, Christian, Jean-Marie, and Yvan Chabot. But today, the family is much bigger than this. CDL, it has 3 manufacturing plants and a network of 29 sales offices in North America. CDL is above all a team, a concept, a passion, and a total complicity between all our employees, partners, suppliers, and customers. For the past 25 years, our business has not been like any other. 1994. CDL begins its integration through the acquisition of Dallaire Evaporators, located in Beauce and specialized in the manufacturing of evaporators and stainless steel tanks, founded by Gilles Dallaire, a defining moment. 1999. CDL moves down the river towards New Brunswick. At this point, it is the implementation of the first regional CDL sales branch in Cabano to offer producers in these regions a better local service. In 2000, a machining center is added equipped with the latest digital control and computer-aided design technologies to produce the first CDL reverse osmosis and extractors. At the same time, the new headquarters are built, a more modern and spacious building, which will also be used as the main distribution center for the corporation to better meet the growing needs of employees, customers, and the lack of space. An extraordinary expansion of CDL product lines and maple syrup production. CDL has wings. Together, we have built a fantastic business guided by a trusted family culture, friendly relations, and pride at work. 2005, CDL begins its ascent by acquiring Waterloo Small USA in Ennisburg Falls, Vermont. The new logo is now Maple Pro. This investment concretizes CDL's market share in the United States. Mr. Garth Atherton, owner and founder of Maple Pro, and Nick Atherton, his son, contribute to the success on American soil. If CDL's evolution has been so remarkable, it's because it is oriented to listening to and observing the needs of maple producers. Even a serious fire at the evaporator manufacturing plant in 2009 has not slowed the growth and development of our company. It was followed by a relocation and a major expansion of the plant in the industrial center of La Guadeloupe. New and outstanding facilities at the cutting edge of technology are paired with the latest maple store in Beauce to meet customer expectations who are more and more to trust the CDL brand. 2014, CDL continues to grow in the market by acquiring the largest maple equipment distributor in Ontario, Atkinson, which confirms and concretizes its leadership position. CDL and its maple producers, one of the most beautiful paths of parallel companies, a wonderful and winning combination. These men and women, in their sugar bush, are now the most prolific in the world through the use of the best range of world-famous maple sugaring equipment, enabling them to produce maple syrup of an exceptional quality. It is with great pride and an indescribable honor to have accompanied them, equipped and supplied them on this journey to the highest peaks. Looking back on these past 25 technological years, they have been innovating, methodical, committed, simply brilliant, vibrant. But mostly, it gives us the desire to continue, to persevere. The expansionism, the development, the radiance is also CDL's huge contribution to the Sweet Tree project. Our company is their exclusive supplier. Sweet Tree is the largest maple project ever in the history of the industry. 750,000 taps over 5 years, 4 evaporators that can produce up to 1,400 gallons of syrup per hour. We have brought the evaporation and concentration capabilities to unprecedented levels ever achieved in the past. Let us be proud. Imagine. This year, we will sell to our customers more than 30,000 kilometers or 19,000 miles of tubing. This is 5 times the distance from the borderline between Canada and the US, and will transform more than 1.2 million pounds of steel and stainless steel. CDL is the pleasure of collective success, all together. 11 branches in Quebec, 4 in Ontario, 2 in New Brunswick, 10 American states. Since the technical expertise of pre-sales to installation and startup of instrumentation and equipment, from the first handshake to the 7 days a week, 24-hour-a-day service, CDL has always been and will always remain an ally, a personalized and compassionate resource for all its customers. Without even slowing down the wheels of our machine, we now greet this quarter century with you. CDL, a sensational team.